Now we will look at the 5-number summary, which looks for the minimum, quartile 1, quartile 2, which is the median, quartile 3, and the maximum. And what we will do is, let's just write 5-number summary over here. Okay, and we're looking at the minimum, quartile 1, the median, which is quartile 2, quartile 3, and the maximum. Okay, and what we will do here, I think it will be easier if you just copy and paste the formulas that have been provided to you. So I will do that right. Actually, I don't have it copy and pasted right now, but 1 second. This is just from some other document. You can ignore that. Okay. There it is. Okay, so copy and pasted. And now you can just write the equal sign in front of it. So equal, and you can have that right there. Okay, or to make life a little easier, maybe I'll just copy and paste it right here and just put the equal sign in front and it should work. Okay, so notice that it says AB2 to AB50. Okay, so maybe we don't need it to go to 50. It only goes to 23 here. However, it won't change anything. So if you have 50, notice that it says 20. But if I change that to 23, it's still 20. So it understands that these are blank below here and it doesn't ruin anything. Okay, so quartile. Notice that for this, it's AB2 to, once again, we can just go to 23. It's saying 1 because that's indicating we're looking at the first quartile. Okay, so what is wrong here? Let me try that again. Quartile, I'm not seeing the mistake. Let me get out of there. Okay, so I'm going to just type this instead of here, quartile. Let's try this again. So we're going AB2 to AB23. Quartile, we want 1. Okay, and this is actually kind of cool here. I don't know if you can see that, but it shows you what this means here. So let's go with this one. Okay, so for some reason the copy paste didn't work, but that does. Let's see if the median is going to work here. Okay, well that worked. And let's see if this quartile for the third works. Okay, so the same problem. I'm not sure why. Let's see. Oh, it's because this, okay, I understand. Okay, so actually a good problem to point out why that didn't work is that I had a semicolon and this program needs the comma. Okay, so be careful of that. It's a comma that's needed in this version of the program. Depending what you're using, it might need a comma or a semicolon. So please pay attention to that. Okay, and then here, the maximum. All right, so there we go. We have all our minimum, quartile 1, the median, the quartile 3, and the maximum. Okay, and also notice that we could have just replaced this with quartile AB2 to the okay, and we could just replace it with 2. And let's see, this would be a comma, and it gave you the same thing. So you can see the quartile 2. I had the median function before, but now the quartile, and it's still working. Okay, to be 33. All right, so we have to do the same thing below. So I'm going to copy and paste this here. Okay, and the formulas, which, 1 second, I'm going to copy and paste that again. The other document, okay, are right here. Now notice the couple of things. It says minimum, it's doing AB, but now we want to look at this column, which is AD. So we've got to change this. So equals minimum from AD to there, okay? And that's 34 and so on. So we just got to fix our mistakes here. Quartile equals, we do not want a semicolon, we want a comma. Okay, for median, that should work. And I forgot to change it, so this needs to change to AD and to AD. And here, from AD to AD, and here, from AD to AD, and change that to a comma, and then maximum AD to AD. Okay, so there we go. So now we have the 5-number summary for both the points and all the 5 stats. And once again, this is for Michael Jordan.